boxes, and by this tree I find really beautiful find. Hello my friends, military finder here. We're testing new places where we find, and we got a permission from this beautiful wood, like you can see. I'm here with my friend from Austria also, and we want to find something really good today, so I hope we have a luck. I typed this position because I got information from one really good book that he was dislocated Hungarian unit which defend this wood against the Russian soldiers. So let's go inside and we can find something good. I really hope. If not, sorry, but I really want to find something good. So not much speaking, just digging. So let's go. So we're testing new place. Here we find some cover of boxes, and by this tree I find really beautiful find. It's a German dog tag from not German, Hungarian dog tag from a soldier. Really nice hit. My friends finding here lots of PPSH ammunition and one magazine for this submachine gun, and I find this one. Guys, I'm so happy. This is my second one. It's only half, but anyway, it's a good sign that we hit a really good spot, and I hope here we can find more stuff, because I have a lot of signals here, and yeah, this beauty came out. Absolutely stunning and amazing find for me. Fantastic. Love it. Absolutely stunning. So it looked like that we hit here a spot. Here we find a one part from German Hungarian ID, and there we find two pieces. So we have this three beautiful pieces of Hungarian ID dog tag, but we don't know how much part we can here find. Look at that, guys. We're doing it right now. Wait a minute. I think this part can be here. No, it's the back part. It's the up part. So yes, it's the same piece, yeah. And so no idea, maybe this is the back part, but anyway, really good hit. So we need to check this location more, and then we move to another location. But I'm really happy. This is a really good hunt with good success. So we're just searching this area, and we find another beautiful part from a Hungarian dog tag. Look at that! I really love this. I really love it. Let's check if we can find more here, but no. Anyway, I'm really happy from this. Never before find so much Hungarian dog tags. It looks like really good location. We need to search it here more and more, because yeah, we're still finding stuff. Awesome. Really love it. Oh, we got a really good signal, 22, and we find a beautiful ring. A stamp ring or a Roman ring, I don't know. It's really huge. Oh my gosh, looks really nice. really old one. Need to clean it and look at it, how big is this ring. Man, it's no idea, but it's really old. Really old. Look at that. I love it. Really unexpected on World War II location. Really nice one. Really nice. So we find a really interesting thing. It's a small cup made from German casing. Really cool. Mostly the Russians use this for drinking a shot of vodka, or I don't know. Really nice find. And also we find this beautiful axe. This is a German engineering axe. Lots of you know it. Like you can see, it's really damaged, but in any way it's a really good find because it's my first one and I'm really happy with this one. So German engineer axe. Really nice one, really nice. Love it. So this axe and small glass for drinking, or maybe for light. So small lamp, trench lamp. Really nice one, really nice. So guys, this is our finds from today's hunt. Here is a German engineering axe. Really nice one, really nice. Happy with this. Apart from a luggage, 3 Hungarian button, 1 Russian button. This part is from German helmet, and this is from Hungarian dog tag. 2 buttons, no idea which one. A Russian, something in Russian. 4 buttons, spin the walls, 4. Some jewelry, beautiful ring. And 3 coins. 1 is definitely silver. Really old one. And these 2 coins, no idea. It's from copper. And 1 .50 caliber St. Louis. Really nice one. So this is our find from hunt today. Really nice one. Really good place. Hope we find more stuff. This, and yeah, we see you soon, guys. This was really awesome. That was our hunt. We find really good stuff. 1 silver coin, beautiful ring, guys, beautiful. 3 buttons, Hungarian, 1 Russian, and some I don't know what buttons. Beautiful German engineering axe. Absolutely amazing. My first. It's really good. So I really enjoyed this, and I know this location is really good. A really big potential, but also we have a dangerous find, so we need to call the police now and end this trip, because we find a Russian mortar grenade live. So we're waiting for police, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like, comment, share this video. Don't forget, if you're new here, click on subscribe, and on the bell, click on it, and We see you soon by new adventure with Military Finder.